Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I will be showing you how to get the welcome package pass. So first you need to go on a random map. So I'm just gonna go hotel. Let's just go there. I'm doing this on an alt account because I already had my welcome package on my actual account. So let's just do it. Okay, so when you load in, you need to go to dress up and then go to crown, and then you would roll a crown and just wait till you get one. Okay, I gotta pick one. Let's wear it. Can I? Yeah. Okay, we have our crown. Now we will be going to the classic campus. That's where you will get the reward in the past, I think. Okay, so I think you should get it now. See, says Royal High Welcome Package Award. So for some of you, it might work like when you just go to the classic campus and that's it. It will just give you the award. But for some people, for some other people, you would need to spin the crown thingy first, and then you would have to go to classic campus. So yeah, this is my first ever video, so make sure to like and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. I hope you do. And yeah, thank you for watching. I hope this helps. Bye.